What's up, y'all? It's NappyFu all up on your screen, and today I'm coming at y'all with a Get Ready With Me music edition. I really just thought it'd be kind of cute to do this. Spotify made a list of the top songs I played all throughout 2017. I know that was last year, but it's still very much a new year, okay? I thought it'd be kind of cute to go ahead and play that as I get ready. Gives you a little taste of what kind of music I like to listen to. So if you in, then let's get it. NappyFu checking in. There you go. So let me get this out the way real quick because I want to get some of y'all in the beginning, okay? If you find yourself watching at least 30 to a minute of this video, I think we can go ahead and say you should subscribe. That's all I'm saying. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be a part of the NappyFu crew and you get notified next time I'm all up on your screen. Okay, stop playing. Subscribe. Thank you. And let me warn you, okay, auntie, uncle, and everybody else, don't be alarmed if it goes from Jesus Culture to Cardi B. I'm just saying. It's a mix of all the songs I continuously played throughout 2017. So that does mean it's going to go from gospel, Christian, to what the church folks like to call secular music. I could be doing a little bit too much by giving this warning, but I just want to be considerate of those who don't want to hear secular music because it's going to be in this video. So after gospel is over, feel free to forward to the end so you'll be able to get into today's Snapchat question. Okay, y'all, ready to start? Let go! I absolutely love this song from William McDowell. I sing it whenever I'm feeling overwhelmed. It's just a reminder that, hey, you need to remember to always let God and let go. One of my favorite prayers. Jasmine Sullivan is definitely a female artist who has been slept on, y'all. Her vocals are crazy. Now, this song came out during the time I had a really bad breakup. Made me want to bust some windows, but I didn't. This part just makes me feel like I'm in an interrogation room and I finally had enough of their questions and I just admitted it. Yeah, I did it, and what? Whoa, whoa, whoa. It just got too real. I jam rap and hip hop mainly when I'm working out. It just gets me pumped. Okay. All the way up. I promise watching this has made me realize how much I really don't know the words to these songs, but I try to act like I do. But if you look at my mouth is definitely not moving to the song. y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed my music, the little music collection that I played. I listen to all genres, y'all. I just kind of let that playlist go, and that's all the songs that it happened to go to. But I do listen to rap. I listen to R&B. I listen to Naja music. I listen to neo soul. I listen to ratchet. I listen to soft country. I listen to soft rock. But I do have to say, what I listen to the most is gospel and Christian. But just because I listen to all the other music doesn't mean you should look at me through small eyes, okay? I know that some people feel that if you are Christian, you should not listen to secular music. I don't know if I agree with that or disagree with that. So let me go ahead and pose it as today's Nat Chat question. It's 2 questions for today.
And before we go there, in case you don't know what secular music is, let's narrow in on the word secular. Secular is denoting attitudes, activities, or other things that have no religious or spiritual basis. Now, when it comes to secular music, that's basically music or even art that is not intended for church use. Simple definition.
First one, if you're comfortable answering, please answer for me below. How do you feel about being someone who is spiritual, someone who serves God, believes in God, but also listens to secular music? What is your opinion? Let me know in the comment box below. And the second question today is, let me know some of your top songs that you know you played over and over and over again in 2017. Comment it below, and if you also want to link the music, that's fine, so we can get our dance on or our praise on too.
There's a wall I cannot tear down, and I can't touch the ground.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that.
And I will catch you on the next one. Until then, remember to have healthy hair, skin, nails, body, soul, spirit, everything. Do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful.